as to what you're going to see when the Midwest Gasser Association is out here in full force. Super Pro, I need you in and buckle up, please. Super Pro, in and buckle up. Mark Pappas down there helping out. Beautiful Bantam Roadster, sponsored by North Shore Towing, one of our sponsors here at Great Lakes Dragway.